Let's give them a big round of applause. Next we have our second prince and princess. We are requesting all the participants for the district Hot Festival of Talents to have the photo opportunity. Lahat po ng participants together with the math coordinators, facilitators, and teachers. Dito po lang tayo sa stage. Okay, so first high school muna tayo. Let's begin with Ruth Village. Okay? Okay, participants coming from Ruth Village, please be here for the photo
White
opportunity.
muna ka. Ayun, white mo.
Again, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our SSLG officers,